Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Today is July 4th. On this day in 1898, Hampton Beach, New Hampshire was struck by an F1 tornado. The tornado destroyed 20 cottages and injured 120 people. 3 people passed away in a collapsed skating rink. 5 others drowned when a yacht capsized, but this may have been caused by nearby downburst winds rather than the tornado. Panicked beachgoers didn't notice the funnel, but it was spotted from a distance. On this day in 1911, the northeastern United States experienced sizzling triple-digit heat. The high in Nashua, New Hampshire reached 106 degrees, while the high in Vernon, Vermont and North Bridgeton, Maine reached 105 degrees to set all-time record highs for those three states. The highs in Boston, Massachusetts and Albany, New York reached 104 degrees, while the high in Portland, Maine reached 103 degrees to set all-time record highs for those three cities. On this day in 1956, 1.23 inches of rain fell in 1 minute in Unionville, Maryland to set a world record for most rain in such a short amount of time. On this day in 1978, an F4 tornado took a 26-mile, 250-yard wide path through Grant County, North Dakota, mostly affecting Elgin. This was the deadliest Independence Day tornado on record and one of the deadliest in North Dakota's modern history. 5 people were killed by the tornado and 35 others were injured. 2 of the deaths were in a pickup truck, 2 others were in a car, pieces of which were found a mile away from the road, and another was in a recreational vehicle. Thomas Grazzulli states that around 45 homes and trailers were destroyed or damaged, and that 17 blocks were hit in Elgin. On this day in 1987, thunderstorms around the country provided extra fireworks for Independence Day. Thunderstorms produced wind gusts to 82 miles per hour in Clearwater, Kansas, 8 inches of rain in 4 hours in Menno, South Dakota, and 3 inches of rain in just 15 minutes in Austin, Kentucky. Morning thunderstorms drenched Oneota, Alabama with 8.6 inches of rain, the highest 24-hour total in 30 years of records for that city. The heavy rain caused mudslides and serious flooding and caused 2 deaths. On this day in 1988, thunderstorms produced heavy rain over the central Gulf Coast region for the second day in a row. Monroe, Louisiana was deluged with 3.75 inches in 2 hours. Aberdeen and Rapid City, South Dakota reported record high temperatures for the day with readings of 105 degrees. On this day in 1989, Independence Day was hot as a firecracker across parts of the country. Daily record highs were reported in 19 cities, mostly in the north-central United States, including Williston, North Dakota with a reading of 107 degrees. In the southwestern United States, highs of 93 in Alamosa, Colorado, 114 in Tucson, Arizona, and 118 in Phoenix, Arizona equaled all-time records for those locations. On this day in 2014, Hurricane Arthur made landfall over the Shackleford Banks of North Carolina, located between Cape Lookout and Beaufort, with peak winds of 100 miles per hour, a Category 2 hurricane. Damage was limited to strewn debris and inundated roads, and though 44,000 power outages were reported and widespread flooding occurred along northern sections of the coast, no direct deaths or serious injuries were reported. In New England, Arthur brought flash flooding and caused additional power outages, resulting in widespread road closures and suspension of ferry service. The storm did cause 2 indirect deaths and $39.5 million 2014 United States dollars in damage, which would equate to over $55.56 million in 2026 United States dollars. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. If you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel. And please check out my Patreon at patreon.com/c/thisdayinweather for more content.